Children, in today's module, I will tell you about a humorous story about a washerman and his donkey.
Once upon a time, there lived a simple washerman in a village. The washerman was childless and longed to have a child of his own. He always remained sad because he did not have a child to play with. One day, he went to the town with some work, where he heard a Qazi reprimanding his pupils.
Not long ago, you were a group of donkeys. I made a man out of you.
The naive washerman was overjoyed to hear the Qazi's words. It occurred to him that the Qazi possessed magical powers to change the donkeys into human beings. He rushed back home to tell this incident to his wife. When the washerman reached home, he said to his wife,
Dear wife, now you shall no longer be unhappy. The Qazi in the city is a magician. He can change the animals into human beings in a jiffy. Let us take our donkey to the Qazi and beg him to transform it into a little boy.
The following day, washerman and his wife with their donkey started for the city to meet the Qazi. They met the Qazi and told him what they wanted from him. The Qazi was amused to hear the washerman's wish. He was a cunning man and thought of making the best out of the situation. He promised to change the donkey into a boy in 1 year's time and took his fees from the washerman. After 1 year, the washerman and his wife went to meet the Qazi. They were eager to know how their son looked like. The Qazi showed them a strong and handsome pupil of his from a distance and said,
Dear fellows, that good-looking man is your son, but he has totally forgotten that he was a donkey once. You will have to make an endeavor yourself to convince him to go home with you.
The washerman and his wife were very happy to see the young man. They happily went near him and asked him to accompany them to the village. The young man was at a loss to understand what the matter was and refused to go with the unknown couple. The washerman tried his best to convince the young man to come along with them, but he did not budge an inch. The young man's audacity infuriated the washerman and he told his wife,
Go, you, and fetch his peg, rope, and grain bag. Perhaps these things will remind him what he was once.
He then held the rope in his hand and said,
You thankless fellow, how can you forget that just 1 year back you were just an ordinary donkey that kept braying outside my house? It is because of me that you became a human being. Instead of being indebted to me and coming along with me, you're throwing tantrums. You must be thoroughly punished.
Saying so, he picked up his stick to hit the young man. On hearing this, the young man blew his top and gave the washerman the soundest thrashing he had ever received in his life. The poor washerman and his wife soon realized that they had been duped by the cunning Qazi and left for their home with a heavy heart. In the want of more, they lost what they already had. Neither did they get their son, nor did they get their donkey back. Sad, but hilarious, isn't it?